So this plant that we're talking about is called Ficus lyrata, or fiddle leaf ficus. It's in the same group as your standard houseplant, Ficus benjamina. This one I like a little bit better just because it's got these really nice, large, tropical looking leaves. It likes bright indirect light, so actually over here we've got two really nice west-facing windows that'll get really good afternoon sun. So when that comes in, this plant will be really happy. It doesn't have to be in direct sun, just generally a pretty bright spot. For watering, you want to make sure that it gets a really good chance to dry out thoroughly through the pot before you water it again, and then when you do water it, give it a really good drink. So that's about 7 to 10 days, depending on the spot that you have it in, maybe up to 2 weeks. This one can be a little bit sensitive to humidity, so especially in the wintertime when the really dry heat kicks on, you might notice some leaf drop or leaf browning. So that's just something to think about with any of your houseplants when you're placing them, is that you're not putting it directly over any heat vents or under any air conditioning or any kind of temperature control that's going to make the air really dry.